In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set A4 page size in OneNote. If you're preparing notes to print or export to PDF, setting the page to A4 helps everything fit neatly on a standard international sheet, 210 by 297 millimeters. It also prevents headings and diagrams from running off the page, so what you see on screen matches what you'll get on paper. Start by bringing your attention to your desktop so you can work distraction-free. Then, with your note open, look to the top of OneNote's window for the ribbon. You'll see several tabs across the top such as Home, Insert, Draw, and View. Click View to switch to the layout tool specifically designed for how your page looks. Inside the View tab, find the command labeled Paper Size. In the desktop version, this opens a panel on the right. That panel controls your page's width and length, perfect for printing and PDF exports. In the Paper Size panel, locate the size dropdown, open it, and select A4 from the list. As soon as you choose A4, OneNote applies a page boundary size to 210 by 297 millimeters. You'll notice a vertical rule line that marks the printable width. If any of your content crosses that line, consider nudging items inward or resizing large images so they fit cleanly within the page. Keeping everything inside that boundary ensures you won't get unexpected cutoffs when you print. While you're in this panel, you'll also see options for orientation and margins. You don't have to change them here, but it's good to know they're there if you need portrait versus landscape or wider margins for binding. If your text suddenly reflows, that's normal. OneNote is adapting the canvas to the A4 width. Quick note on versions: paper size appears in the classic desktop edition of OneNote. Some newer or platform-specific versions don't include it, so you may not see the button in every build. When the option is available, the steps you just followed will give you an A4 page instantly. That's all there is to it. From the View tab, open Paper Size, choose A4, and you're ready to print or export with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more predictable pages in your notebooks.